Moment of truth. Trying liver for the first time. Out back into Billy B. It's actually pretty good. That's actually really good.